I hate these chickens. Love doing it, love having the meat. Just actually hate the animal itself. Second is the smell. It all trumps it having your own chicken in the fridge. There's no comparison. If you have any amount of land at all, you should be doing chickens, especially meat birds. 8 weeks, do 25 birds. Build a tiny tractor in your yard. It's silly that you're not, if you're not doing that. If you're still buying Tyson chicken, just wanna let you know that you're wrong. You ain't doing it right. I don't like talking so much. I talk a lot, but I don't like talking so much.